All right, what's up? What's up, people? It's now there's no denying it. Whether you believe it or not, 3 for 3 today. First day we had the chat room going, live from the depression cave that is known as my house on Thursdays. Bang up day. First of all, we came in short the cues, but that's one thing. I remained short the cues throughout the day, and I'm still short the cues now because I believe we're going lower. But let's talk about day trading. So what did we do? We saw the market was starting to plummet, so we shorted some more cues, made some money on that early on. Then, of course, when the market is down 400 points and the Nasdaq's down 90 something, we're looking for some buys. But before we even get to what we just experienced there at the close, let me tell you about what we did during the day. We had some MCP coming off that $38 range. Bang! I offered it out, took a quarter profit, the thing spiked up 50 cents. 1 for 1. Then, when we saw the cues first dipping down, it was earlier this morning, we had the cues. Sorry for my turning my away from the bank with blah, 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 blah. The cues were at 53. They broke down a little bit to scare. Oh, sorry. First it was 53.50. I apologize. 53.50. I got in at 53.60. Sold them out at 53.72. Went and told everybody what I was doing. From 53.72, we spiked all the way up to about 54.40. Right from my sell, right to that. Then, of course, we reversed and crashed right back down. Once we broke 53.50, we got short again, and then was the time to whether or not we were going to fall off the earth or we were going to buy. Guys in the chat room, we're talking about how the levels of the S&P were at that spot. We might want to go long. Collectively, we all agreed. I got long the cues there at 53 again. Next thing you know, I'm offering them out for a 10-cent profit. Bang, we spike 70 cents. But then it even gets better, my friend. We roll over, break back down, and I said, I just missed my entry, and I'm not going to chase these cues. I'm not going to get long. Next thing you know, another 70-cent spike. So all in all, we had about 9 or 10 people in the chat room. Collectively, that is all we needed to see. I got some people in the chat room. They witnessed what goes on a daily basis. You just can't make this shit up. But that's only the tip of the iceberg, people. Then there, at the end of the day, while the market was exploding, I pulled up a stock that, of course, if you were paying attention, remember I was talking about in Long Island how we should be shorting that soda stock now that it went back over 40. It's probably just going to give back this 10 points any day now. And Plus, I also got stopped out of it at 42 that day, so it was inevitable for it to go down just like the gold. So there's 3 ways of making money. When I lose money in a trade, that's your guaranteed money maker. Then it's the day trading. When I offer out for a profit, you know the stock's going to go even higher after that. And then, of course, if I tend to just say something and don't do the trade, there you have a winner also. And all those things, all those confusing things that just spewed out of my mouth all came true today. And as I was talking, you were able to witness it firsthand. Firsthand. And that's all I could do. That's all I could provide. Maybe you shouldn't tell people that things always go wrong for you. But here, this was a perfect kind of day. I came in short, so I'm still feeling good about being short the cues. I managed to make about $750 day trading today, which probably should have been about $7,500. If I make $750, you could pretty much rest assured it should have been tenfold that, considering how many different times I traded the cues on the right side. But then, at the last trade of the day, I was so pissed off missing the soda short as the cues were ripping up. I said, you know what? These soda is only 80 cents off its lows. Let's buy it here if it breaks 35. Bang, I got in at 35. Next thing you know, my daughter needs to go to gymnastics. I'm offering this thing out at $35.18 and $35.20. I get done. I make about $160 on the trade collectively. And I said, now's your chance to get in. Buy it here. It'll probably rip to 36. Boom. Look at the chart. Almost hit 36 on the nose. You can't make this shit up, people. You can't. But now you can come live. So if you got your chat room number, and if the first email that you put in, you can put in any email address you want. Put in an email address, put in the password that I sent you, and if you haven't got your password or your email or your link to the room, send me an email. Sorry, email me at email.email.email. Jefferson@hitthebid.com. I will get the information to you as soon as humanly possible. Right now, the experiments all went well today. We had everybody's mic opened up. We had a free flow of information back and forth. We had Solid in there. We had the Ghost. We had somebody calling themselves the One. We had Ed Pooner from California. We had a couple of guys from Canada. We had Ryan Karen in the room. Whole bunch of collective guys, and I think that we all profited today, and it was a pretty awesome day. Okay, have a great day, and make sure you send me your email. Tomorrow we'll be back in the city, and maybe Joey Diphard will make an appearance. So, that being said, I just said that just for shits and giggles. That being said, yes, I hate when people say that being said. All right, kids. Be well and be smart, and these are the greatest times of our lives. Don't ever forget that. The greatest times of our lives. The greatest times of our lives.